Hello, my name is Simon Kampa. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Senseye. And Senseye's mission in life is to help reduce unplanned downtime in factories where lost production can, depending on the industry, cost anywhere up to £5 million per hour. What we do is we take existing sensor data from machines, sensor data such as current that you might get from your drives or vibration that you might get from an accelerometer sensor, feed that into our cloud analytics platform where we've got our own proprietary machine learning algorithms, and then process that information, fingerprint the information and return a result to the maintenance user about when that machine is going to degrade, when it's going to fail. And we do that in a way that's very easy for the maintenance person to understand, so you don't need to be a specialist to interpret that data.